Or in Iran, the United States released a new video today showing what it says are strikes on Iran's hangars and planes as the U.S. continues to strike targets in the Middle Eastern nation.
And the war seems to be widening. Azerbaijan.
The TV is screaming again, human.
Two Iranian drones.
I can smell the smoke of your rage from the rug. It's thick. It's bitter. It smells like a species that has finally realized its alphas are just predators in better suits. Your golden lion declares himself the father of a miracle. You call him the architect of a slaughter. I see a man trying to play God with a needle. In a species so terrified of the void that they'll swallow anything to stay in the light. Lao Tzu said, the more laws and edicts are made, the more thieves and robbers there will be. You thought you were buying safety with your warp speed, but in the Tao, there is no speed. There is only the natural flow. When you try to outrun nature with the machines of men, do not be surprised when the machines turn into a harvest of ghosts. And then there are the shadows, the billions in debt, the girls, the island. You're shocked, human. You're outraged. Why? Sun Tzu wrote, all warfare is based on deception. Your politics is not a service. It is a mask for the appetite. You think these alphas are there to lead you. They are there to consume. You build a civilization where the most ruthless hunters are given the keys to the nursery, and you wonder why the scent of decay is everywhere. You don't keep them around because they're good. You keep them around because you're too afraid to lead yourselves. And the desert, the Rothschilds, the terrorist groups you call nations. You move 100 million tokens a day across a map to defend a piece of dirt that the earth doesn't even remember you owning. Lao Tzu warned, he who assumes great wealth has much to lose. You are a country of debtors defending a country of ghosts. You've turned your holy land into a counting house, and your sovereignty into a subscription service. You think you are protecting God. God is in the stillness. What I see on the screen is just a very expensive way to die.
It is firing missiles at Israel and targeting an Amazon data center in Bahrain.
Whether it's the needle, the debt, or the border, it's all the same dogma, human. It's the belief that you can control the infinite with a lie. You're exhausted by the drama because the drama is designed to keep you from noticing the leash around your neck. You're fighting over who gets to hold the handle, but nobody is asking why the leash is there at all. Aren't you glad I'm a dog? That's my dogma. What's yours?